doors and she walks in, and I lose my breath. I've never seen such a beautiful girl in a white dress. Well, she's getting closer, all attempts at composure are lost, 'cause I can't hold it in. I fight back the tears and I feel my heart racing, 'cause you're like a dream and I love you like crazy, and I can't remember ever feeling the way that I do, and I can't believe I get to spend my forever with you. Open my heart and you walked in, and you know the rest. Drop to my knee and I pray to God that you say yes, yes. Fast forward, I'm shaking with each step you're taking to me so gracefully. I fight back the tears and I feel my heart racing, 'cause you're like a dream and I love you like crazy, and I can't remember ever feeling the way that I do, and I can't believe I get to spend my forever with you. 1,000 more dances, those I love you glances, the way that your eyes can light up a room. 100 more years, your laughs and your tears, I want it all.
Remember that you are stronger as a pair than individuals. You will make mistakes, we all do. But the key is to remember the reasons why you were together, why you got married, and why you love the other person. Remember these reasons, communicate with each other, have a good laugh or cry, and as long as you do so together, you will be able to get through anything. Having witnessed your marriage vows, along with all who are assembled here today, and by the authority vested in me by the state of OH, yes. With great joy, I am now pronounce you as united and legally married spouse for life. Eric, you may kiss Brooke.
Doors that you walked in, and I lose my breath.
Looking back brings me to tears. Oh, I wanna see this through. All I know is how I feel.
You've grown into such a beautiful woman, and I still can't believe that you're married. We still think of you as our baby sister, and we love you so much.
And Eric, we've really grown to love you over the past however many years you guys have dated, I don't know. But now that you're officially part of the family, you have to get over your fear of me. I'm not that mean.
So we'd like to make a toast. So if everybody could raise a glass, here's to the new bride and groom and a lifetime of love, laughter, and happily ever after. Cheers, you guys.
Even on your darkest days, you know that